3 Republican. Former President Trump and the 6th of January 2021 A Washington, D.C. He calls for an ethical investigation to the judge. Without using Trump's name, Howell blamed the violence capital of great lies and warned that the importance the truth was rejected or ignored. Stefanik described Howell as extremely inappropriate, accusing Howell re-election of President Trump would lead to fascism in the United States. As stated in detail below, Judge Howell's partisan speech is clearly an inappropriate election intervention by a federal judge who undermines the confidence of the people to our courts. He's weakening. He wrote, Howell became the chief judge of the D.C. Regional Court from 2016 to March this year. In March, on last day work, Trump and his lawyer turned Jack Smith in his statement on last day of work, he forced him to testify in front a large jury. He also criticized federal prosecutors being very soft for conviction proposals the January 6 protesters. In his letter, Stefanik pointed out his relations with Howell's chief public prosecutor Loretta Lynch and current Attorney General Lisa Monaco. Trump legal team files move for pauses waiting for objection. Lynch praised Howell for dealing with COVID-19 pandemic, January 6 uprising and emergence of case burden and activity hurry encouraged by special consulting office. He continued former chief public prosecutor United States. Supporters against defendant waiting for federal criminal accusations for great jury trials of pride. A sitting federal judge is particularly shocking. Even on January 6, uprising reaches legal conclusion despite fact. Even senior Biden special advisor Jack Smith did not bring such charges. Defendant Stef Stefanik wrote, Howell also supervised Monaco, who supervised the 6th of January prosecutors. In his speech, Stefanik seized in letter to the Judicial Council of the Columbia region. While I was carrying a tremendous responsibility for the safety of many people, I admired what kind of calm and grace model you were, said. Judge Howell's 16-minute financial words had nothing to do with women representing the defendants of white collar, and they were not allowed to be politically neutral. Perhaps Trump's most vocal ally at Congress, Stefanik, previously filed an ethical complaint with the New York Supreme Court Judge Arthur Engoron, State Chief Public Prosecutor Letitia James, for his former president and Trump Organization. In addition, January 6, including Deputy Chief Public Prosecutor who controls criminal prosecution, partisan friends who appear before him allowed his relations to be demonstrated to public, said.